The next question I have is sort of about credit cards and consumer financing. Are they relating to the same people? And could you sort of define consumer financing in a way that is like comparable to credit cards?
Sure, that's a great question. So I think that if we were to make consumer financing comparable to credit cards, the big thing that we want to look at is payments. So is this payment affordable? A lot of people like credit cards because they can pay off the balance every single month, they get their rewards, and let's be honest, it's very simple to just tap as opposed to having to apply for a financing loan. To better understand who, again, is a better consumer for one or the other, it's really just personal preference. It's not necessarily that there's somebody who's more like heavily a credit card consumer. There's somebody that's more of a, lender consumer.
Right.
A lot of retailers think that, to be quite honest. You'll walk into a lot of big box retailers and you will see them pushing these credit cards because it's just the way it's been done.
Yeah, and I think a lot of people think you have to be sorted into one of the boxes, where oftentimes people are paying for consumer financing with a credit card, or they're, users of both.
Yeah, that's you actually bring up a good point too. I think for a long time, a lot of people have seen as, for some reason, your credit score is what defines you as a consumer. And that's really not true. And there's all these other lenders and there's all these other ways to pay. It's just the credit card industry has been so dominant. So that's, one thing that we want to try to educate consumers and, let them understand and see that, there are other ways.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.